Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I wanted to share a pair of earrings that once you put on, you'll never want to take off. These are the 14 karat solid gold hoops from KEZEF. I love these earrings so much because they are so stylish. I love the fact that they're solid gold. They're a little bit more substantial than a thinner hoop, but they're so lightweight. So I've been wearing these earrings nonstop, probably for 3 weeks. And I love the fact that I don't even know that they're in my ear. You would think that they would be a little bit heavy because of their thickness, but they're so lightweight. They're so comfortable. I also think that the construction of these earrings are phenomenal. So you would expect earrings with a hinge like this. You would expect over time for things to get a little bit loose or wiggly. And this earring is designed so well. And once you click it in, it clicks in really securely and they never come loose, never. I've been wearing these earrings basically every day, so usually quite casually, but I have dressed them up as well, and I love that they look good with any outfit. And I've been wearing them with another thinner pair of hoops in my second hole, and I love that look that it gives. I also wore these earrings to the beach. I wore them on vacation for the whole week, and I love how they never bothered my ears at all. I love how the gold just stayed beautiful and shiny. So these are just beautiful earrings. They're so well designed. They're such high quality. I know that these will be classic earrings that you'll have for decades. So definitely treat yourself. These are a little bit smaller than a dime. I personally love this size on my earlobe, but they do come in other sizes. So definitely treat yourself. You won't regret it. And that's my point of view.